In prior videos of fixing the 1970 Hot Wheels tune-up tower, I said that a thorough cleaning was all you needed to get it working again. Trouble is, even when everything shines like new, you get this from the elevator. Hesitation, slipping, and stalling. There's one more thing you can do to make it right. Pull out the drive pulley. And get some friction tape. How much tape you need is variable. I find that covering anywhere between 1/4 to 1/2 of the roller does the trick. You may need more tape depending on how much slippage you're having with the elevator belt. In this case, I'm covering 40% of the roller. Now, reinstall the drive pulley, and let's see what happens. Much better. Next, test with the weight of a car. There you go. So there you have it, a quick fix for the 1970 Hot Wheels tune-up tower. Making Hot Wheels still fast, still fun.